Hey everyone, feeling a little too short? Yes, I know the feeling, but don't worry. Here are simple exercises to easily increase your height. Add these exercises to your weekly routine, and it will be easier for you to increase your height. Start by doing the following every day: stretching, squats, calf raises, lunges, and planking. These simple exercises can increase your height in a matter of weeks. To get the best benefits from these exercises, you should use them after a warm-up that includes back squats or deadlifts, which are two of the most effective ways to increase height. Increase height faster by adding weightlifting into your routine because it helps stimulate bone growth. If you're not comfortable with weightlifting just yet, just start with bodyweight movements like push-ups, pull-ups, dips, and inverted rows. If you want to get the best results from these exercises, you should do them regularly, which means working out every day or doing a few sets every other day. Stretching is essential for all people, especially those who are trying to increase their height. Stretching helps relieve stress, eases muscle tightness, and also keeps your joints flexible and healthy. Squats. Squats are very beneficial for stretching out your hip flexors and also help you increase your quadriceps. Doing squats will help you get taller because it increases the amount of growth hormones you release. Do 10 to 15 reps 3 times a week to start feeling a difference in your height. These exercises will help stretch out your calf muscles, so when you run, they don't absorb the shock. Standing calf raises are one of the best exercises to do when trying to increase your height because it really hits the soleus muscle in your lower leg, which is what makes your legs look longer and leaner. Plank exercises. Planked exercises are great for increasing your height as well as strengthening all of your major muscle groups. Planked exercises can help increase the amount of growth hormones in your body, which can help add up to 3 inches to your height. I personally like to do planks to increase my height because it really hits my arms and core muscles as well as helps me with posture. Lunge exercises. Forward and reverse lunge exercises work out your calves, your lower body muscles, and your hamstrings. This exercise is great to increase the amount of growth hormones in your body and help ease lower back pain. Try this exercise out for about 30 seconds a day if you want to see great results. Deadlifts. Deadlifts are a great exercise because it works out all of the muscle groups in your legs, including the calf muscles, which help make them longer and leaner. Deadlifts are also great because they can help you relieve lower back pain. Yoga. Yoga is fantastic when trying to increase your height because it is a stretching exercise, and stretching increases the amount of growth hormones in your body, which helps increase height. Yoga also helps you feel more relaxed and stress-free, which can also help ease lower back pain if you have it. I hope you love all these tips and are going to try them to increase your height. Don't hesitate to tell us your results in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.